name is David Frederick. I am the president and owner of G2 I.D Source and also G2 Labels, which is what we do. Our markets are smaller companies that are looking for fast turnaround, that are wanting to buy short volume and get a fair price.
My name is Terry Cochran. I'm the vice president. You know, it appears that we're heading towards total digital. I think at the end of the day, you always want to kind of partner with somebody that's going to be there when you need them.
We had history with these people, so we knew that they were going to be as good as they were before, and they've exceeded our expectations for the second installation. The water-based unit did a very good job for us, but it was not the solution for long-run production. It was a solution for shorter-run production and very high resolution, and it was excellent in that area. When you start getting into the hundreds of thousands of labels, if it could be run analog, the old Flexo way, it was more profitable to do it that way. So it had its own little niche. When we looked at going to the UV system, the fact that it can run on any material, predominantly, we haven't found one it couldn't run on yet.
With any adhesive that's not custom, and it allows us to move those to digital.
The reduction in cost of paper is up to 66%. That's huge. That's huge.
You know, we spent money obviously on our Flexo presses, and we didn't want to just scrap them. We have peripherals, laminations, cold foils, all kinds of things that we've invested in that equipment, and we just see with the Colordyne unit being literally on top of the press that we can still use those features of the press in addition to the digital unit.
Now we're looking at an 8-hour day. We can run almost 8 hours worth of finished product. You tell somebody you can double their output, they obviously have doubled their profit.
We didn't want to be just a short run because that's not a lot of our business. We do have long runs, and we wanted to be able to produce those digitally.
You have to be fully involved. You have to pay attention to what you're doing. You have to learn as you go. You have to be willing to invest the time to get the final results. Once you've invested that time, it's smooth sailing. When the install took place, it was just seamless, it was quick. So we are absolutely running the product now. We find out that it's a workhorse. It likes to run.
You have to go digital in this market anymore. You've got short runs, long runs. Graphics are becoming very, detailed. I'm not sure that we can do those Flexo anymore and give a good product, especially on a short run or a long run.
We looked at a lot of different presses. A lot of them, the digital part, you ran it in phase A, and then you had to buy a finishing unit to finish it on. Now you're buying two pieces of equipment. You've got twice the opportunity of the thing failing, and the cost was horrendous. When we looked at the quality of the other digital presses, we were truly not as impressed as we could be. I couldn't look at them and say, oh wow, they're a lot better than Colordyne's. Most of them I looked at and said, this kind of doesn't look that good.